Hey. Hey guys, right now everybody online is building awesome AMD gaming rigs, and I think one of you guys should do a video where you help them pick out the right Corsair parts for that system.
Hello, Kevin with Corsair here. Today we're going to spec out a PC revolving around AMD's Ryzen processors. If you're looking to build a new system, there's an abundance of awesome components readily available right now. And with an enticing price to performance ratio, AMD's Ryzen processors across the board perfectly fit the bill. In this build, we chose the Ryzen 5 2600X, which is a great balance between budget and performance, featuring 6 cores and up to 12 simultaneous threads. And while the CPU might be the brain of your computer, like a real brain, it needs other components to support its function. What components, might you ask? Let's find out. First on the list is system memory, or RAM. And for this build, we chose a 4x8GB kit of our Vengeance RGB Pro DDR4 3333. Our RAM will make sure you get the most out of your CPU. On that note, with great power comes great heat from your CPU, especially when overclocking. So that's why it's important to have an effective and reliable cooling solution. For this build, we use the H100i Hydra Series Platinum Cooler. Out of the box, both the Pro and Platinum Series coolers are compatible with AMD's AM4 socket. And while the Pro is more focused on silent operation, the Platinum Series is more performance focused and comes with 2 ml RGB fans. Another critical component for any PC is the power supply unit, or the PSU. And we've got just what you need. Our PSUs offer low electrical noise, ripple, and tight voltage regulation, which will ensure all your other components last longer. Additionally, most of our PSUs offer modular or semi-modular cabling, which helps to ensure your build stays looking super clean on the inside, as well as keeping airflow paths unobstructed for more efficient cooling. If silence is a top priority for you, along with great performance, our RM series will be a quiet riot, serenading you with a ballad of silence. Can you hear that? Neither can I. If you're in the market for something more powerful and efficient, our AX and HX series both offer higher wattage options, along with a minimum 80+ platinum certification. And don't forget, make sure to consider all the components you'll be using in your PC so you can pick the PSU that best suits your system's needs. All of these awesome components need a great place to live, and fortunately, Corsair offers a multitude of cases to fit any budget. For a great mid-range option and what we've chosen here, we have the Spec Omega RGB, which features integrated RGB lighting and a tempered glass side. On the high end, we have the Obsidian Series 500D SE, which turns aesthetic and performance to an 11. It features hinged tempered glass side panels, USB Type-C in the front I/O panel, 3 LL120 RGB fans, and a Commander Pro lighting and fan controller. The 500D SE is sure to make your components happy. If you're speccing out a new system, you can count on Corsair to help you build it better. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for the latest news on our products, as well as our website, Corsair.com. Once again, I'm Kevin. I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching.